Hello there. I'm Carolyn Rosenblatt, RN and elder law attorney. I'd like to share a bit of my new book, The Family Guide to Aging Parents, with you. This book provides answers to your legal, financial, and healthcare questions. And the last chapter is about how to protect your aging loved ones from financial abuse. You know, a lot of people have a general idea that financial abuse is a problem in our country. But do you know that a recent study showed that this costs elders over $36 billion a year? And it's everywhere. Scammers on the internet, family members ripping off aging parents, paid caregivers taking advantage of frail and trusting elders. They're all taking the elders' money. In my book, I share with you 5 protective steps any adult child, neighbor, or close friend can take to keep an aging person in your life safe from predators who can easily take advantage of that person. The first of these protective steps is to talk with your aging parents about financial abuse. If you don't know all you need to know, you can find programs on the internet, in your parents' community, and at senior centers everywhere. Law enforcement, social service providers, and good citizens are all trying to get the word out. Encourage your loved one to learn about this problem and be on the alert. The next tip of our 5 is to educate yourself about how vast the issue is and how clever the criminals are. You know they can take advantage of anyone, and that includes very smart and well-educated people. They prey on people who are worried about money, and most elders are, and they make tempting promises. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau of our federal government has very good materials on its website, and you can read them to stay up on the latest scams. The third tip that I'm urging you to take is to start having more frequent contact with your aging parents as they get past, say, age 70 or 75. If you make a point to do this, maybe even weekly, you have a better chance of catching problems before something terrible could happen. If you don't get along with your aging parent, or you have a parent who doesn't trust you, work on enlisting the help of a friend, a neighbor, or some other trusted person to do the checking in for you. The point is you don't want to just leave them to their own devices as they age because you just don't know what's happening. The fourth tip, I urge you to snoop a bit. Well, that means when you visit your aging parents, with more frequent visits, look around. Look around when you're in your parents' home or apartment. You're going to be more likely to catch the danger signs. Is the place different? Is anything valuable missing? You know, email is a particular favorite of scammers. They can get a lonely senior very involved in a relationship, eventually designed to get money from that senior. If your parent uses email, check it out. See whether your parent is engaging with any strange person, and do this whether they know you're looking or not. And fifth, the final tip, is to look at your parents' snail mail, the papers that come in. There can be signs of financial abuse there. If a parent had funds in the bank and a thief is getting them, you may see money trouble, unpaid bills, collection notices, stacks of charitable appeal letters, things that tell you that your parents might be having money trouble. You can take action if that happens, and perhaps you'll be able to stop these thieves. At agingparents.com and aginginvestor.com, we're on a mission to prevent elder abuse. I'm hoping my book, The Family Guide to Aging Parents, will help you be more aware of how you can join us in this effort. Elder abuse could happen to anyone, even your parent or loved one. If you're prepared, as my book will enable you to be, you can confidently protect your elders from becoming victims. And I'll be sending you more about the other chapters too, so you can get a free preview of what's inside. Thanks so much for listening. To get your copy of The Family Guide to Aging Parents, answers to your legal, financial, and healthcare questions, you can click on the link. Bye-bye now.